Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to connect your rechargeable hearing aids or stiletto hearing aids to your iOS mobile. On the first process, open your charging case, take out your hearing aids from the charging case. Now the hearing aid is on and the Bluetooth is also on to get paid. Now you go to your app store and then you download the Signia app, Signia, the red symbol on it. Once the app is downloaded, you go to the settings page directly without opening the app. Once you go to the settings page, you scroll down to go to the accessibility. Once you go to the accessibility, you scroll down and select the hearing aid option as I'm showing in the video. Once you select the hearing aid option, you will find hearing aid compatibility and Bluetooth options. You are going to switch on both of. There will be a suggestion of the nearby hearing aid that is available for you to connect with your initial name on it. Once you tap on that, you will have a request to pair the hearing aids with your mobile phone. The hearing aids are ready and are paired to your mobile phone. Now you go to the Signia app, open it, and then you start the process. You select the country that you are in, and then you select the Bluetooth option. If the hearing aid has a Bluetooth, automatically gets paid to the hearing aids which is already paid to your mobile phone. Once the connection is successful, you can either set the telecare or not depending on your requirement. And then this is how the page is going to look once everything is set and ready. You're going to increase the volume and then decrease the volume based on your necessity. The button right down to it indicates you can change it for both left and right of your ear. The right side of the volume bar indicates the right ear, and then the left side indicates the left ear. You can increase and decrease the volume of each ear accordingly. And then there is balance, and then there is stream, and then the direction, so that you can change the direction of your microphone based on your necessity. If the hearing aid is a premium hearing aid, you can select front, back, left and right, or if you want to focus on 360 degrees, you can select on the A symbol which is there on the right bottom side. And then you can select the mask mode. If somebody who is opposite to you is wearing a mask, and then the speech will be highlighted accordingly. And then there is a Signia assistant to help you. You can chat with her whenever you have a problem with your hearing settings. You can tell her your problem and then she'll make adjustments accordingly for your best hearing. And then the well-being app is to track down how many hours you are wearing the hearing aid, at what situations are you wearing the hearing aid, and the overall health of yourself. It's an overview of how the Signia app works, and few options in this are only limited for a premium hearing aid, but apart from that, the Bluetooth is now connected to your mobile phone, and whatever is streaming in your phone gets directly streamed into the hearing. That's it. Thank you. Follow us for more.